Jeremy TV.
Welcome back to the channel. We're back up here in the northeast corner of my place again for another episode of this winter project that I've taken on of clearing this whole area out of all this undergrowth and these scraggly trees and any dead trees and any trees that are in my way. And it's going pretty well so far. I've only really hit it hard a couple of different days up here. I got all the way over here to a part that I thought would take me longer to get to, which was this old beech tree that had been laying over, still growing, but or not growing. Well, it was green every year. I don't know how much it was growing, but it was still green. But it was laying over. It was ugly. It was a hazard. Had all kinds of crap hanging off of it, briars and stuff. So I cut it down. I didn't think I'd get to it this soon, but I did. Got it down, got it into pieces, and moved it right over there. I drug it. I didn't get to drag it to the burn pile. The burn pile is still very wet, but I did get it drug out of my way. So another thing I may also do is drag some of this wood out of here that's laying on the ground, get it at least drug out of this area, especially if it's in my way. I don't know that any of it's actually in my way. Maybe that old dead one that I cut down two times ago, but I don't know. We'll see. Well, in trying to get that rock out right there, instead of just getting out and putting it in the bucket by hand, I was trying to scoop it with the tractor. And as you can see, I am stuck. Now, I think that this brush hog is causing all my trouble. And I also think if I can get it unhooked, that I can probably climb up out of that, because it was trying, it just couldn't get enough footing to get started because that damn brush hog was hanging everything up back on the back. So I'm going to unhook the brush hog if I can and see about climbing out of that mess. All right, here we go. That didn't work. Plan B.